Hey guys, Brian Hathaway here, sitting aboard SV Serenity, coming at you from Marina Del Rey, California. Just got back from single-handed my boat up to Seattle and back, about 3,000 miles of wonderful sailing. Was able to edit the entire time using EditMate, working on proxy media. Very excited for September 16th to show how cool the technology is and how it works. And happy aboard virtually. So bottom left-hand corner, I'm gonna go ahead and new project. And we'll just call it a trailer for today. We'll call it 9/16/2020. I'm gonna go ahead and pick a template. These templates are completely customizable. I had them make just a basic template for me for demo purposes, but again, you can make them however you want. So we're gonna hit proceed, and this is gonna ask me to enter more metadata. Again, I'm gonna call this 9/16/2020. I'm gonna call it trailer, and I'm gonna say Watchman's. There's as many things I can search by. Again, I'm gonna choose trailer. Producer is gonna be me. And we'll just go ahead and forgo the rest of it. I'm gonna create project. As you can see, it's creating a project in the background. And we're creating, and there we go. And this is the template that's been set up from here. Sequences, audio, footage, titles, VFX. Super, super basic. This is just for something I do, like a little 30-second, whatever, that someone would like throw me on a Friday. So over here, you can see all the metadata that I entered. You can see that the trailer 9/16/2020 is highlighted, so that's the project you're working on.